In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to listen to pronunciation in DeepL. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hear the translated text, the original text you typed, and even the pronunciation of specific words where it's available. This is great for practicing speaking, checking stress and intonation, and building confidence with new vocabulary. First, open DeepL in your browser or app and enter the text you want to translate. Once your translation appears, look at the target translation box. At the bottom of that box, you'll see a small speaker icon. Click or tap that speaker to play the pronunciation of the full translated text. This reads the translation aloud from start to finish so you can follow along and match what you hear to what you see. If you're studying a new language, try listening once without looking, then again while tracking each word with your eyes to connect sound and spelling. You can also listen to the original text you entered. In the source input box where you typed or pasted your text, there's a speaker icon as well. Select that speaker to hear your source text read aloud. This is especially helpful if you're double-checking how something should sound in your own language, or if you're comparing rhythm and phrasing between the source and the translation. For more focused practice, DeepL lets you hear individual words in some languages. Click on a single word in the translation box, and a small dictionary panel will open with definitions, examples, and a dedicated speaker icon. Click that speaker to hear just that word's pronunciation on its own. If you don't see this panel or the speaker for a word, it may not be available for that language pair yet. In that case, you can still listen to the full sentence and repeat the word in context. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure your device volume isn't muted and that any Bluetooth headphones are connected. If clicking the speaker doesn't start audio, refresh the page and try again. Some browsers have strict autoplay settings, but a direct click should trigger playback. On mobile, the controls work the same way. Tap the speaker in the translation box, the speaker in the source box, and, when supported, the speaker in the dictionary view after tapping a word. That's all you need to start listening to pronunciation in DeepL. Use the full text audio to train your ear, the source audio to compare, and the single word audio to fine-tune tricky vocabulary. Happy practicing.